Welcome to Coffee Corner. Today I'm going to show you how I make a espresso tonic. You need an espresso machine. I already have my 14 grams, in this case for the espresso machine, in my portafilter. I have some tonic water. You can pick any tonic water of choice. Today I'm using a raspberry syrup. Again, you can use any syrup of choice. A double wall glass with ice in it. If you don't have a double wall glass, if you just have you want to use a coffee cup, put ice in it, that's perfectly fine. Or a pitcher with ice in it, that's also fine. And then I also have cream. You don't have to use the cream, but I'm going to use the cream just to make it a little bit more creamier, heavier body. So let's get started. I'm going to pull a 2-ounce shot of espresso, and I'm going to use about 3 ounces of tonic water over my ice and about a teaspoon of syrup. You can add more or less. It depends on what flavor, you're going for. Nothing is set in stone. You can make your own recipe. This is a starter. Let's dive in. I'm gonna pour my 2-ounce shot. While that's leveling out, I'm going to get my syrup. Teaspoon of raspberry flavor of your choice. Okay, I poured my 2-ounce shot. Right now I'm going to take about 3 ounces of tonic water, pour it in my glass. If you want to measure, go right ahead. Now I'm going to take my shot of espresso right over my iced tonic water. Set that aside. So you see those layers. That's why I recommend using a nice glass so you can see all that. Now this is strictly up to you. If you want to try the way it is now without adding cream, go ahead and take that first sip. Make sure you stir it up because the syrup went to the bottom. It's really good and refreshing. I would like to hit it with some cream. I have some half and half. Again, you can try it with one. Once you make your recipe, you can just go with it from there. Oh yeah, that was really good. I might just leave it just like that actually. If you find this video enjoyable, come on back for another one and I'm going to try something else. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Coffee Roasters University. Thank you.